Hi, welcome back. Today I have another shop with me video for you. This is Will Leather Goods in Eugene, Oregon. They are based in Eugene, but their products are made somewhere else around the world. Most of the bags they sell are made with vegetable tan leather, and some of the bags have woven, wool or cotton material as well. Even though I wasn't sure where are the bags were made, while browsing in the store and touching the leather goods products, I do think they are pretty well made. After seeing their products in person, I do plan on buying more bags from them in the future. I did buy something when I was there. Can you guess what did I buy? I think it's pretty cool that they focus on using vegetable tan leather because those vegetable tan leather will patina nicely once you start using them. Although there wasn't a big store, I was surprised to see such a big varieties of products. If you are in Oregon, it's worth to go check out their store. Otherwise, you can buy their products online as well. Now it's time for me to go organize my space so that I can buy more bags. I'll let you finish this store walkthrough video without me talking too much. Let me know if you like this kind of video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I appreciate your support.